Alright, a little update for y'all. I got a haircut. Pretty snazzy. Anyways, let me flip the camera around here. So I added on our bed plate. The spindle is on. I have attached the spindle here. And wired that all in over here. So I think we're ready for our first cut. So I'm gonna throw some wood on here, get everything fired up, and try her out. Stay tuned. Okie doke, I got everything hooked up here. I'm going to show you the spindle running here. So I just got this little potentiometer right here. If I twist this, let's see here. As you can hear, there's definitely some harmonic issues, but I think it should be fixed. If we crank it up. Should be pretty good. So let's give her a go, I think, and see how she does. Alright, we got our program loaded up here. We got our piece of wood set up, and we got everything, all of our zeros set. So we're gonna give her a go, and hopefully I'll break the machine, but I'm sure I will. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the spindle here. Probably should be plenty high. And let's go ahead and hit run. Let's see what happens. Please don't break. Well, seems like she ran, eh? Not too shabby for a first cut. We didn't plunge it into the stock, so that's pretty handy. I'm gonna pull her off and see how she did. All right, got her all pulled off here. Take a look at it. It's not the worst cut in the world. I would say it's pretty good for first cut. You might be able to see on the edges. Let's see here if I can get it. There's a little bit of wobbling going on. It's not terrible, but that is something to note. But yeah, that was doing wood, 2mm passes. So not super deep, but for a little machine, it was like a 2-minute cut. Not too bad. There are definitely some things that I need to address that are pretty significant. We'll start at the beginning, all right? So basically, this whole thing needs to be redesigned again. But when I redesign it, I'm gonna move where these are placed, because right now it's only being held on by this, 10mm thing. But if I can screw it into this body right here, it'll be a lot stronger. And then this piece right here actually hits this, which causes us to lose, you know, a good chunk of working space. And then what else? Oh, as you can see, there's a lot of play just in our Z-axis, which is not ideal. So I think I might end up trying to switch to linear rails, possibly. We'll look into that a little bit. Other than that, I think that's pretty much all the other main issues so far, at least. Yeah. Keep in mind, we're cutting without a front frame, so the front is completely unsupported. So that could be a pretty significant issue. But overall, so far, pretty impressed. Probably gonna be a while till I get the next video out. I'm gonna think about how I want to redesign this, maybe get some new parts. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up.